comes Miss Gauri Neelkantan Mehta. She is Artistic Director of Platform for Action in Creative Theatre, and she will be thanking motherhood. Floor is
Uh,
all yours, Gauri.
Thank you, Preeti. I must say this, I enjoy Star Talks immensely, and I love the way that you come up with new themes for us to meet, these wonderful people, Cuisina, Archana, Shefali, and it has now become a community that I look forward to always. Your themes. Now, what is Preeti going to do for us? Now, what is
My
Preeti going to do for us?
pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so
so
much. I'm
I'll
honored.
always be, I think, a Star Talk fan and a follower, and always a ready participant. So, having said so, there's a lot of emotion that is going on in my mind right now. I might even break down, especially because Archana talked about losing her mother, and she said a beautiful poem, and Shafari talked about hovering the helicopter parenting. I lost my mother when I was hardly 22. Today I'm 55. So I lost my mother at a stage when we were becoming friends, when we had started discovering each other as friends. From the age when I was a young girl, I never understood her. मतलब मैं sixth standard, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard में थी, थोड़ी बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होती थी. मगर after the seventh standard, my mother was my world. She was my world. She was my friend. She was my confidant. She was everything to me. I have a child. I mean, I'm a mother today, but she was so important to me in my life that I could not even imagine moving without her, even or living without her. And I think my life turned upside down after she passed away, because I did not know how to become a mother to my own child, because मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे मतलब मैं समझ नहीं पाती थी. When I became a mother, I must thank my mother-in-law who really stepped into becoming the taking care of the baby and this and that. पर मुझे कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आया कि मुझे मदर कैसे बनना चाहिए. तब मुझे एक ही चीज का ध्यान आया. At that when my son became a little older and he started it, because he was raised by his grandparents, and I'm very thankful to my mother-in-law for raising him up till he was 3 or 4. Then I decided to become his friend and do things together like my mother did with me, taking him to the museum, taking like my mother would take me to the museum. My mother would take me whatever my mother liked, taking me for चाट पकौड़ी कॉर्नर, चाट खा लेते थे साथ में. और सारे म्यूजिक शो, सारे ड्रामा इवेंट्स. मतलब मैं आज अगर ड्रामा में हूँ, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ माई मदर, because she was interested in drama. She made me see plays with her. She took me for music performances, all the Carnatic music performances, all the Bharatnatyam shows she would sing. तो उस वजह से ऑटोमेटिकली वो मेरे अंदर घुस गया. तो वही चीज मैंने अपने बेटी को भी, आई वुड गो विथ हिम टू, माय मदर वुड टेक मी फॉर एनी फ्री इवेंट दैट वाज इन दिल्ली, बुक इवेंट्स, बुक शोज. शी वुड से फ्री में है चलो. एंड एनीवे साउथ इंडियन आर वेरी, कहाँ फ्री में मिल रहा है, वील रन देयर. सो कहती है चलो चलो चलो, सब बच्चों को उठा के लेके जाना. And I think she didn't raise one children. We were living in a joint family. She raised 22 children. We were a family of 22 children and about 25 adults. 47 family members were living in one house. And she raised everybody, everybody, and all equal. ये नहीं कि एक अपने बच्चे को ज्यादा दे रहे हैं, एक बच्चे को कम दे रहे हैं. मतलब मेरे को लिटरली ये सब याद है, कैसे बोन बोन बिस्किट एक बड़ा डब्बा आता था, और कैसे वेडनेसडे को मम्मी एक एक बोन बोन बिस्किट एक बच्चे को देती थी. लाइन में खड़े रहो, सबको मिलेगा. फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 22 टू द एज ऑफ 3, यानी कि 3 years को कैसे हम लोग मूंगफली गिन गिन के, 47 मेंबर्स इन द हाउस. तो मूंगफली भी गिन गिन के, काजू गिन गिन के कि 2 काजू तेरा, 5 किशमिश तेरा, 2 आलमंड तेरा. ये सब चीजें मैं जो याद करती हूँ ना, वो जो हम लोग इतना बड़ा परिवार को संभाला, और बीइंग द एल्डेस्ट बहू, सबको संभाला, सबको साथ में रखा, सबको चलाया, वो तो खैर अभी रेप्लिकेट हो ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि आज तो इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक हो गए हैं। और मगर वो सब वैल्यूज ना, वो मतलब मैं आपको क्या कहूँ। सो ऑल आई, इससे ज्यादा मैं मतलब मैं बोलूँगी तो मैं रो पड़ूंगी, बिकॉज अब भी मुझे रोना आता है। क्योंकि अब तो वो ज़्यादा ही जल्दी रो देती, पहले तो मैं काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी। तो मैं कहूँगी कि इट इज़ अ ट्रिब्यूट टू एवरी मदर, कि मदर इज़ नॉट ओनली टू योर ओन चाइल्ड, टू बट टू ऑल द पीपल हु कैन सराउंड यू। बी अ मदर एज मच एज पॉसिबल टू एवरीबडी अराउंड यू, एल्डर्स, यंगस्टर्स। मैं भी बहुत गुस्सैल थी जब मैं मतलब आई वॉज रियली रियली हॉट टेम्पर्ड, पर धीरे धीरे आई एम लर्निंग कैसे मुझे let go and all that. Thank you very much, Preeti. Thank you very much for listening in, everybody. And I hope that all these are recorded so that we can keep it in our memory bank. Thank you very much.
Yes, it is recorded on the YouTube. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your
Yeah.
mother's stories with us. Lovely,
Thank
lovely
you.
knowing that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gauri, for that.